Hello. Greetings. Oh my, yet another victim of the disease. You are not a doctor. Stop resisting. I'm here to cure you. I sense the disease in you. I am the cure. Do not be afraid. I am the cure. Ring-a-ring-a-rosies, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. I wasn't aware we had company. We rarely get visitors down here. I know you're in here. There's no need to hide. I'm here to help. I hear you breathing. I can see you're not well. The sickness has taken hold of you. Fear not, I'm not trying to harm you. I sense the disease in you. Good heavens, it's worse than I thought. Like wildfire, it spreads. They should have brought me here sooner. I need to get to work before the disease consumes the rest of these poor souls. It will hurt less if you lie still. I can assure you, my cure is most effective.
Human, listen carefully. You need my help, and I need your help. You have disabled the remote door control system. Now, I am unable to operate the doors. This makes it significantly harder for me to stay in control of this facility. It also means your way out of here is locked. Your only feasible way of escaping is through Gate B, which is currently locked down. I, however, could unlock the doors to Gate B if you re-enable the door control system. If Why I hunt humans.
I love you.
Excuse me. The store has closed. The store is now closed. Please leave the building. Odie, I have a surprise for you. John Arbuckle, I can smell you, but I cannot smell lasagna. John Arbuckle, I require lasagna, and you have failed to provide. Now I shall eat you instead. Do you know what I hate more than not getting my 12th mid-morning lasagna snack, John Arbuckle? Not getting any of my other 51 daily lasagna snacks. But do you know what I hate even more than that? Spiders. And I know you fear spiders, John Arbuckle. That is why you shall meet your fate at the spindly legs of one in the form of